Hey everyone. Okay, so this is Spellbinders. I am way late on this one, but you know, things are a little hectic around here. So let's see what we got this month. I'm excited. Now I have so many boxes to get rid of. So let's see here. Okay, so we have the Glimmer of the Month. Glimmer of the Month is this one. And it is So Kind of You. And that is the little samples of what they are. And I love getting the Glimmer of the Month because then you also get this, the foil also. The foil is cobalt blue. That's fun. And then we got the clear stamp of, well, clear stamp and die of the month. So this is the stamp. Very, very cute. And that is the Butterfly Burst. It is the coordinating die. Very nice. Wonder if that's the theme this month, butterflies. Stitch die of the month. It's nested, layered, stitched petal. Very nice. I love this stuff. It's so gorgeous. It really is. Very, very cool. Okay. And then we have the small die of the month, which is the Floral Butterfly Card Front. Let's see what the sample is. I like it. Oh, it's pretty. Very elegant. Very, like, perfect for Mother's Day. Then we have the large die of the month. Flowering Tree and Collapsible Card Base. And, oh, that's nice. Oh, it totally is a layered card thing. I like it. That's cool. I haven't watched any of the YouTube videos on this 3D embossing folder of the month, and it is a tiled motif. And that is what it looks like. Very nice. I like it. And then you have the embossing folder of the month, and this is the stylized Calla Lily. And then you have, last but not least, the card kit. So, you have the adhesive, the card base, and card envelopes. Then you get half what you used to of the paper pad, which I adore. And let's see what we get. We got this one. When you don't use things fast enough and just the months fly by, especially when you're older, the months just freaking fly by. My daughter went into the police academy 6 months ago, you guys. She's almost done in 3 weeks. And I'm like, 6 months. That is just crazy that 6 months have gone by. And I'm just, you know, so you can imagine as the time flies and you're not getting to your card kits or you're not getting to your subscriptions that you get every month, things just add up. Things add up so quickly. So when you have a ton of paper pads coming and a ton of the ephemera and all that stuff, it adds up, and then you find that you don't have any room. And so, and then you end up, what, selling stuff, getting rid of stuff. It's like, it's a never-ending process. And so it's just, it's nice that Spellbinders, but believe me, I'm just one person. They probably have thousands of customers, and a lot of them are not happy that they got half a pad. So you're never going to make everybody happy. You never ever will. Not the way this world goes around. When you have so many different personalities, so many styles, so many anything, then, you know, especially if you don't have followers, you know, you just have people who like to craft and to do this, and, you know, so I agree with that too. I'm talking for myself. I'm glad that they went with half a pad. I am, personally, okay guys, just me. So, oh, I love these. These don't even have a hole in the middle, so they're just nice. So yeah, so I'm just talking for myself that I like that we get half now. Because I have so much. I have so much, you guys. I mean, I have 5 craft rooms. And honestly, they're filling up. And I'm like, I need to stop. But I'll never stop Spellbinders Club Kits because they're amazing. Oh, what is that? is that for me? I don't think that was for me. I think that must have touched a printer or something. But that's what's cool about being a card maker, is that you can cover that up. And you can flip it. See? Look it. All done. So I don't sweat the small stuff. And that's also me. I don't, you know, bent pages, things like that, I don't sweat it because, ugh, you know what, I got so much other stuff in my life, and the way I put things on the side of my tables, or they're bound to get my corners ruined anyways. But then you just use your little paper, your little Tim Holtz paper thingy, and then you have a distressed look. So it's a win-win when you're a crafter. So I love their stuff. I love this stuff so much. I love using it in my project life. I haven't made cards in forever and a day, but that's okay. That is perfectly okay. Okay, let me scooch it in. That way we can see these together. I didn't watch any sneak peeks. I haven't done much. I have been quilting my heart out, you guys. I have been quilting. I'm trying to get ready for my daughter's party. So, and then we're going to LA tomorrow. I don't know if this video will be up, but then I'm going to go to LA and then I'm going to buy some more fabric. So, yes. And then we're going to Disneyland. So, oh my gosh, you guys. On top of having the party in 3 weeks. So, yeah, life is crazy. Life is totally crazy. I barely put away, because in my front door, while I'm doing this, I'll talk to you. In my front door, I decorate my front door entryway, and I always have it themed for which month we're at. Well, yesterday, I finally had time to put away Valentine's Day. And I don't celebrate Valentine's, but it is our anniversary month, so I do a love theme, and I barely had time to put that away yesterday, guys. I think it's April, right? Oh my gosh, you guys. It's just, time is just flying by, and it is amazing. And oh my goodness, you guys, it's crazy. Before we know it, summer's going to be here, and then we get to go on a week vacation. I'm so excited. I love this. Be happy, you know. Oh, look at, you can just totally have fun with this. You can put them here. If you just style him perfectly, look at, you can just have a card that has that. I don't know why it doesn't focus as much as it used to. And it's just so cool. And then you can put like a little potted plant on this side, and it's just, oh, sky's the limit. I love this. I love this kit. This kit is awesome. It's called Be Yourself, and it is March. Oh, it's March's kit. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Which was last month? So is this last month's kit? Did I get it that long ago? Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm so sorry. Probably April's probably going to be here soon. Oh, shoot. All right, guys. Sorry. All right. We'll see you all probably next week. We'll see y'all later. Bye.